Everything in the world is made in China, but COVID-19 vaccine is most likely going to be made in India. Yes, right now in India, companies are already making millions of doses of COVID-19 test vaccines. And if things go right, we might get the real one soon. This is the story of how the world is on the way to developing the fastest vaccine ever. As of today, the 28th of April, COVID-19 infected over 3 million people globally, and it is not going anywhere until we find a solution. This is why 80 companies around the world are searching for a vaccine, and they are searching fast.
Now, the race to develop a vaccine to fight the coronavirus is underway around the world.
A vaccine usually takes 6 to 7 years to develop, but this is an emergency, and we work towards developing the vaccine 5 times faster. How is this speed even possible, you may ask? Well, COVID-19 is similar to other types of coronaviruses like SARS or MERS. In the past, vaccine trials already passed many of these steps before being abandoned when these coronaviruses went away on their own. Now, using this previous experience, the governments are willing to give COVID-19 scientists a chance to be more experimental. At the University of Oxford, scientists are testing a vaccine on 800 humans, and they hope to have a vaccine by September 2020. This is fast. And if it works, this will be the fastest vaccine ever developed. But they need to produce a lot of them, not 1 or 2, but rather billions. And that's where India comes. India has the largest pharmaceutical company in the world, the Serum Institute of India. They can produce 1.5 billion vaccines every year, much more than any production company in the US or even in China.
Indian scientists are currently testing a multi-purpose vaccine.
This gives us hope not only because of the amount of vaccines, but also because of the costs. India can produce a vaccine at an average price of 0.5 cents. 0.5 cents to save a life. That's why Oxford gave India their test coronavirus vaccine, and right now they are making 40 million of them without even knowing if it works. The CEO said, "The decision is at my own risk and cost because I want to fight COVID-19. This is amazing. Once again, the humanity can only win if we all come together. Right now, India is known as the country that imposed the largest lockdown in the history of our planet, 1.3 billion people. But in the future, who knows? It may be known as the country that helped save the world. And that's news worth of sharing.